theorem. If z equal to x plus iy is a point represents on the z in the orthogonal plane, if the real part of z minus 1 by z plus I equal to 1, then point lies on the locus. So this is given. Now real part of this equal to 1. For the real part, we have to simplify first z minus 1 by z plus I. What is z given? X plus iy minus 1 by x plus iy plus I equal to 1. That is real part of, so write real terms x minus 1 plus iy imaginary part. In denominator, real part is x, denominator, imaginary part is iy plus I comma 1, then y plus 1. So rationalize with denominator's conjugate. What is denominator's conjugate? X minus I into y plus 1. So x minus I into y plus 1 by x minus I into y plus 1 is equal to 1. What is given clearly? Real part of this equal to 1. So now we have to equate the real part equal to 1. Now what is the real part in this? So x minus 1 into x is clearly real part. That is x into x minus 1. X minus 1 is real part. Next, x minus 1 into I into y plus 1 is imaginary part. Leave it. Now iy into x plus ixy. Ixy is clearly imaginary part, so leave it. Next, iy into minus I into y plus 1. Plus into minus minus. I square is minus 1. Minus of minus plus. So y into y plus 1 by denominator. Clearly is of the form a plus ib into a minus ib. That is formula a square plus b square. That is x square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to 1. Now bring denominator that side we get. So x into x minus 1 is x square minus x plus y into y plus 1 is y square plus y is equal to denominator x square plus y plus 1 whole square is y square plus 1 plus 2y a plus b whole square of y. So y square plus 1 plus 2. Now both sides x square y square term cancel. Now x term in this side becomes x, minus x becomes plus x, plus y becomes minus y. Already we have here plus 2y, so plus y becomes, so plus y. What is here? Plus 1 equal to. Now by verification, we require the x and y values. So x and y values given in options. So by verification, option 4 is our answer. So option 4, what is given? 2016 minus 2017. This is the point x comma y given. If you take x value 2016 plus 1 is 2017 minus 2017 equal to 0. So equal to 0. So this is our answer. A 13 e power I tan inverse 5 by 12 is equal to a plus ib. Then the ordered by a comma b. We required a and b values. We know that Euler's form e power I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. So this is the Euler's form of a complex number. E power I theta equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. So by applying that formula to e power I tan inverse 5 by 12 we get tuck in into cos theta. Theta means I tan inverse tan inverse 5 by 12 plus I into sin theta. Sin theta is tan inverse 5 by 12 equal to a plus ib. Now here let tan inverse 5 by 12 as a. So tan inverse 5 by 12 equal to a becomes a means tan a equal to 5 by 12. Now draw the right angle triangle for tan a. So let it be a. Here is 90 degrees right angle. So tan a in right angle triangle, opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by adjacent side 5 by 12. Adjacent hypotenuse is 30. Now given value 13 into cos. What we take in tan inverse 5 by 12 is a cos a plus I into sin a equal to a plus ib. So 13 into what is cos a from the right angle triangle? Cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. That means 12 by 13 plus I into sin a is 5 by 13 sin a. What is sin a? Opposite side by hypotenuse 5 by 13 equal to a plus ib. So by multiplying with 13 cancel. 12 plus 5y equal to a plus ib. By equating real and imaginary parts, a comma b equal. Real part is 12 and imaginary part is 12 and 5. Let a 3 minus I and b 2 plus I be 2 points in the orthogonal plane. If the point P represents the complex number z equal to x plus iy, which satisfies the condition z minus 3 plus I equal to z minus 2 minus I, then the point P will be locus of P. Now what is z given x plus iy? So x plus iy modulus of minus 3 plus I equal to modulus of x plus iy minus 2 minus I. Now what is the real part here? Modulus of x plus iy means x plus iy equal to root over x square plus y square. You know this formula. Apply that formula to above to get root over x minus 3 whole square, real part square, plus imaginary part. What is imaginary part? Iy plus I is common, then remains y plus 1 whole square. For this also same, root over x minus 2 whole square plus I into y minus 1 whole square modulus. Now solve, squaring on both sides. By expanding this, we get x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y plus 1 whole square is y square plus 1 plus 2y equal to. This is x minus 2 whole square, that is x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y minus 1 whole square is y square plus 1 minus 2. So both sides x square y square gets cancelled. 1 is also cancelled. Next bring all terms one side. So minus 6x the terms are side. Minus 6x plus 6y is plus 2x. Next y terms. Here we have plus 2y. Here is minus 2y. So bring 2y that side becomes minus 2y minus 4y. Next constant term. Here we have 9. 9 bring that side. Already we have 4. 4 minus 9 is minus 5 equal to 0. Let here, what is A point here? 3 comma minus 1 and B point is 2 comma 1. Here is A is 3. So clearly this is passing through midpoint of AB and is perpendicular to the line joining AB. That means it is perpendicular bisector of AB. Perpendicular bisector of AB. I plus I square plus I cube plus I power 4 plus and so on plus I power 100 is equal to 1. So for that I plus I square plus I cube plus I power 4, first 4 terms. Next I power 5 is I square into I square into I square is minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into I becomes I. Plus I power 6 is I square, I power 7 is I cube, I power 8 is I power 4 plus and so on. All in brackets, 25 brackets will give like this, 25 brackets. Now observe the first bracket. I remains same, I square is minus 1, I cube is equal to I square into I square is minus 1, that means minus 1 into I becomes minus I. Plus I power 4 is I square whole square, I square is minus 1 whole square is 1, plus second bracket also same, I minus 1 minus I plus 1, like that 25 brackets, that is 25 times. So observe here, plus I minus 1 plus 1 0, 0 plus 0 plus and so on 25 times. So So adding 0 25 times will get 0 only. If a plus ib whole power 5 is equal to alpha plus I beta, then beta plus Ia equal to, sorry, b plus Ia will equal. Now a plus ib, from a plus ib I is common, then I power 5 into b plus, in a there is no I, so 1 by I into a it becomes plus alpha plus I beta. Now I power 5 is I square whole square into I square whole square is 1 into I is I plus 1 by I. So what is I square value? Small I square is minus 1. I square write as I into I equal to minus 1. 1 I equal to minus 1 by I, or 1 by I is equal to minus I. So that means I and minus I are reciprocal to each other. So I into b plus, here we have 1 by I. What is 1 by I value? Minus Ia equal to alpha plus I beta. Now I bring this side, becomes beta minus Ia is equal to alpha by I. 1 by I is minus I, that means 1 by I into alpha plus I cancel, beta will get. That means rewrite like this, beta plus 1 by I. 1 by I is minus I alpha. So b minus I whole power 5 is common for all. So b minus I whole power 5 is beta minus I alpha. We require b plus Ia whole power 5. So b minus Ia and b plus Ia is conjugate to each other. So beta minus Ia conjugate is beta plus I alpha. Beta plus I alpha and beta minus I alpha conjugate to each other. If the point z is 1 plus I, 2 plus I, 2 plus, 1 plus 2I, 1 plus 3I, and so on, 1 plus 10I, lies on a circle with center at origin and radius is r, then r square is. So z is given like this. Now what is z given? X plus I. So x plus Iy equal to 1 plus I into 1 plus 2I and so on, 1 plus 10I. Now what is x plus x minus Iy? So x plus Iy, so its conjugate is x minus Iy. Here also it conjugates 1 plus I conjugate 1 minus I, 1 plus 2I conjugate 1 plus 2I conjugate 1 minus 2I, and so on, 1 minus 10I. So by multiplying we get, by multiplying the above we get. So x plus Iy into x minus Iy, a plus Ib into a minus Ib is a square plus b square, that is x square plus y square, is equal to 1 plus I into 1 minus I, 1 square plus I square, plus 1 plus 2I minus 1 minus 2I, 1 square plus 2 square, and so on. Last one is 1 square plus. Now the standard form of the circle passing through origin is clearly is of the form, and whose radius is, whose center at origin is x square plus y square is r square. So here we have x square plus y square. What is x square plus y square? Is r square is equal to 1 square plus 1 square 2, 1 square plus 2 square 5, and so on. 100 plus 1 is 100. This is the r square value.